Well, hello, this is Douglas again. Yeah, this is number 6 video. Good news is it's running, but in doing this, the aftermath of running, of course, with that new part in there, it's going to drag down the idle, and we're going to show you how to adjust the idle. Apparently, these 2 screws right in this area. Okay.
These 2 right here.
And how do you do it?
The back one, this one back here, you back it off first, because all it does is it keeps it tight, keep it from moving. And then this front one is actually the one that positions your idle.
Okay. So yeah, with that new part in there, it bogged down the motor, causing it to actually die. So he's readjusted that, and I'm going to come right over here and trip over the tools. And that's a good thing to see her sitting right there. Now go ahead and fire this thing up. And it did also down there had a transmission leak, which, yeah, he was like leaving a stream. Go ahead and fire this thing up and see what it does. Like I said, if it ain't one thing, it's another. Leave it running. Now go ahead and get it and put it in gear and all that fun stuff. And so far I ain't seeing no leaks. That's in drive. Put it in drive. Because yes, as you can hear, it has a transmission leak. But at least it's running again. Go ahead and put your air conditioner on. That's on. That's different. Of course, later on, what they don't tell you is you'll have to drive it for a while, and that belt will lighten up. You probably kill it by now. Once you drive it for a while, you'll have to come back in and readjust the idle screw, as we kind of showed you how to do. And he knows that one of his headlights is out. So if you have any comments, just post them below. And if you would, please subscribe. Let me turn this thing off.